I'm Stevie, I'm one of the directors of Super Serve.
And I'm Charlie, I'm also one of the directors of Super Serve. Super Serve is a new food and beverage operator focusing on cultural spaces. We have formed a relationship with Boxbar to bring something new and innovative to that space.
Boxbar is the future. They don't even have that stuff in Tokyo, so we're the first people to do it over here.
So tonight we have a gig on for the DMAs in the warehouse space at Aviva Studios. We've got 4,500 people here to watch the band and enjoy the food and beverage that we have to offer.
So we've got our regular bar downstairs, and then upstairs in the warehouse space we've got Boxbar with 25 machines operating tonight.
And we feel that by supplementing a standard bar operation with technology like Boxbar, we can provide a better level of customer service. The best thing about using Boxbar at an event like this is it means that we can provide a really great quality product to a high number of people.